Hey everybody, I am going to be doing a mallet smash on this 12-inch triangle. Got the triangle from Joanne Fabrics, I think. They can also be found on Amazon, but they cost more money there. But I'm not sure if it's the exact same size. The colors I'm using, this is, it's two Arteza colors, and I keep forgetting to look up which one it is. It's a violet and a metallic blue. This is Arteza orange yellow, and this is Arteza carmine red. And I do have a new 10% off discount code I will put in the video description. I want to say off the top of my head it's Osborne 10, but I'm not sure. So, put my white paint down. This is Dutch Boy mixed with Floetrol and water. So the pour with the hair dryer, 2 videos ago maybe, that I ended up having to scrape. That was a cover-up, and I put gesso on, and I've never had this happen. So I don't know if it was the canvas or the right, quote, wrong combination of something, but I checked on it, and all the wet pour had made the gesso lift off, so the entire painting was kind of lifting. So I took my little thing and I went like this, and I could just peel off layer of it. So that painting did not work. I would definitely not recommend gessoing before or between. Just go ahead and pour on that old canvas, pour on that canvas. Don't gesso. That is my advice. I'm trying to think, do I want just one? I kind of think I do. So I have painted over, well, I'm halfway through, not even halfway, quarter of the way through, painting over the bathroom door that I had done a swipe on a while back. I am not pouring it, I'm painting it, so it's taking a lot longer, but I think it should be really cool. But I won't hang it up until I paint the walls and the cabinetry in the bathroom, so it might be a long time. We still have the main door to the bathroom. This is the interior door that leads to the laundry room, so we can still use the restroom. And you can watch the laundry as you're going. Oh shit. Woo! I did not say a bad word. Boy, that went flying, didn't it? I wonder, because I can already see that this is too much paint. I wonder if I do this, what will happen? That will happen. It's worth a shot. This veining. Maybe I need to. Arteza paints do cause more cells than other acrylics. The yellow orange kind of made brown, which it tends to do, mixed with purpley colors. Trying to decide decide how to get this off. I'm just going to tilt it down. Trying to see if I can get that to move by hitting it. I don't know if it's really working. I really don't like that little area though. Something I'm gonna have to pour straight from this thing, but piece of paper can do wondrous things. So much better. I'm gonna let this overtake that a little bit because the blowing on the painting leaves a different look than the mallet. Hair or something. Really would love this to move down. It just doesn't want to. Yay, success. Yay, 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 yay. It's been a while since I've poured something I've liked. I've painted tons of stuff I've liked. I'd love it if you went on my Facebook or YouTube to check it out. So happy. This middle part doesn't look like a mallet smash. But see how well that Arteza paint sells up? Just great. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm so excited to have a success. Yay. Bye.